Alright, I'd like to go over a problem, which is in the Kumon Algebra book. The problem is 1 1/3 divided by 1 2/3 squared times 1 7/8 squared. So it's squared. They're all to the power of 2. You multiply the last two and then you divide the first two. So what you do is you convert it to a mixed number. So it's 4/3 times 4/3 equals 16/9. 5/3 times 5/3 equals 25/9. And you get 15/8 times 15/8, which is 225 over 64. So 16/9 times 9 over 25. So 16 times 9 would be 90 and 54, which is 144. And 9 times 25 is 225. You multiply 225 times 64. And then you get, 225 cancels out. You get 144 over 64. And it goes into it 2 times. So 2 times 64. 2 times 64 would be 128. So 128. So you do 144 minus 28, 128. And you get, 16 64s, which equals 16 and 64s simplified equal 8 over 16 64s would equal, divide by 16, you get 16 times 4 equals 64. So you get 1. And 16, but 16 goes into 64 4 times, so you get 1/4. So 2 1/4 is the final answer. 2 1/4. What you do, step by step, convert it to a mixed number, multiply it by itself, convert it to a mixed number, multiply by itself since it's the second power, convert it to a mixed number, multiply by itself, make sure you multiply correctly. You get 16 9s, 25 9s, and 225 over 64. Then you multiply out, you get 144 over 225. They cancel out very well. You get 144 over 64. That's a mixed number. To convert it to this 2 and 16 64s. Then simplify 16 64s by dividing it into itself. You get 1/4 because 16 times 4 equals 64. You get 2 1/4.